Have you ever wondered if the human soul has weight? In 1907, a doctor named Duncan MacDougall set out to answer one of the strangest questions in science. And what he claimed to find still fascinates people over a century later. This is the story of the man who tried to weigh the human soul. It all started in a Massachusetts hospital, where Dr. Duncan MacDougall, a physician deeply interested in the nature of life and death, designed a simple yet extraordinary experiment. He placed dying patients on custom-built scales, precise enough to measure the slightest changes in weight. MacDougall waited patiently, observing as life slowly left their bodies. He carefully accounted for every variable: air expelled from the lungs, moisture lost through sweat, even heat changes in the room. And then, according to his notes, it happened. At the very instant of death, the scale dropped, suddenly and unmistakably, by a small, consistent amount. Roughly 21 grams. MacDougall was convinced this tiny loss in weight marked something profound: the soul leaving the human body. He even repeated the test with 6 patients and found similar results in some, though not all, cases. When he published his findings, the world was stunned. Newspapers across America ran headlines like, "The soul has weight," and public imagination caught fire. But scientists weren't impressed. They criticized his methods: the small sample size, the crude instruments, the uncontrolled environment. To them, it was pseudoscience, not proof. Still, the idea refused to die. MacDougall wasn't done yet. If the soul truly left the body, he wondered, could it be seen? He turned to X-rays, the newest technology of his time, hoping to capture an image of what he described as a faint light resembling interstellar ether. But no clear evidence ever emerged. His photographic attempts failed, and mainstream science dismissed his theories entirely. Yet, there was something hauntingly human about his pursuit: the desperate need to know what happens when we die. More than a century later, Dr. MacDougall's work is remembered not for its accuracy, but for its audacity. It bridged the gap between science and spirituality, two worlds rarely in harmony. His 21 grams became a powerful metaphor, symbolizing the mystery of consciousness and the weight of human existence itself. The idea has echoed through time, inspiring films like 21 Grams, countless novels, and even references in manga and popular culture. So, did Duncan MacDougall really measure the human soul? Probably not. But in trying to, he touched a timeless question, one that still lingers today. What truly happens in that final moment? And if something leaves us when we die, how much does it weigh? Thanks for watching. And remember, sometimes the greatest mysteries aren't meant to be solved, only explored.